Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display contact form 7 from drop-down list in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using contact form 7 plugin and we have multiple form. Now you see contact form 1, 2, 3. So we are going to display form using drop-down list. So when customer or user select form name from drop-down, then form display on screen. Now go to page. So we are going to add custom code. So you can add code in any builder. Then in search widget write HTML. Now drag and drop here. So we are going to add custom code. First we are going to display drop down list. Now go to notepad and then you see select name. So this is our custom field drop down, and then you see form 1, contact form 7, form 2, form 3. So you can add form name according to requirement. Now you see, so this is our value of form 1, form 2, form 3, and then you see name, ID, my select, on change we are calling my function, and then you see div ID form 1, form 2, form 3. So this ID and value are same, and then you see class section style, and this is our contact form 7 code. Now you see back to website, go to form, and we are using this shortcode in our custom code. So you can add your form shortcode in custom code. Now back to notepad. Now you see contact form 7. This is our ID. We have 3 form. Now copy this code and you will find all code in video description or in comment section. Now back to website. Now go to page. Now paste here. Now first click on update. Now page update done. Go to page and refresh the page. And then you see drop down list, you see form name. Now back to page. So you can use this code in any builder plugin. Now go to notepad again and then you see script we are using. You will find all code in video description or in comment section, and then you see document dot get element ID my select. So we are using ID here, and then you see class name section. So we are using class here. If you want to add more, now copy this and then paste. So you can add your form name here and then change value of form 4, and then again copy this div and then paste, again change ID to form 4 to match this value, and then add your contact form 7 shortcode. Now copy this, back to page, again click on it. Now write here HTML. Now drag and drop here. So you can use this code in any builder plugin. So it's up to you. Now paste and then click on update. Now update done. Go to form page and refresh the page. So by default all form is hide. Now select form. Now you see this is our form 1. Now you see form 2 and then you see form 3. So in this way you can display form from drop down list using custom code in WordPress, and you will find all code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.